What's going on, guys? HM Crypto here, and I'm here to add value to you. So today we're going to go over the Coinbase interface. We got our accounts set up, so we're ready to navigate through the waters. Oh yeah, by the way, I am not a financial advisor. Any investment decision should be made off your own research and due diligence. So let's hop right into the video. All right, guys, here we are. We're in the Coinbase interface right now. So right now I have my balance of, let me move my head out the way. $20. I put $20 in a stable coin, which is pegged to the US dollar, so I can seize opportunity when I see it. So even though it's not much money, you gotta start with something. So let's go to our watch list. You see, this is one right here. This is one of the most important tools. You see where I have what I have on my watch list here: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. These are the industry leaders. So when you look at stuff like this, you can see what are the big what are the big money doing. So for example, look, let's click on Bitcoin, and we see you could get look at this. You can get when's the best time to buy. You can schedule buys. You can get a description about Bitcoin. It wasn't when I started in 2017 with crypto. I wasn't too deep into it, but it wasn't as detailed as it is now. Look at all these resources you have. So about Bitcoin. Bitcoin first adopted crypto. Keep in mind, they have the ledger, so you can track your purchases. You can also that's where you buy it, and you can check. This is one of the most important things, by the way, guys. The market cap of the crypto. So you see, Bitcoin is $729 billion. Like if you were, it's just like a company. If you were to pay $729 billion to get all the coins in circulation, which is it's pretty crazy. I'm not gonna lie. So, and then you get your news right there. This is a lot of value because you can get access right here to crypto news articles. For example, the Insider. They have all kind of news articles on here. I could click on that real quick. So see El Salvador. You heard in recent times that El Salvador has been trying to make Bitcoin a legal tender. So just be up on the news and just get curious. So let's go back to home real quick. So you get your top movers right here. You learn to earn. So you can learn about crypto. You can answer a few questions or get some free crypto. Free money is also nice. So it's always nice. So there you go. See the block right here. The block. Yeah. A lot of Bloomberg, one of our major news publication. So make sure you use your tools in your toolbox. So all right, let's go to asset right here. See, right now I have $20 in stable coins, so I can see some opportunity. So right here, and then right here, guys, look at this. So this is one of the most important things about crypto, a white paper. This gives you the overlaying and the overview of a project and where it could potentially be going. What's the description? Who's backed by it? This particular project, USDC, is pegged to the US dollar. So you always have it's especially good in the bear market. So you always have $1 worth of how much you have. So if I have 100K, I could put 100K in each USDC, and then even in a bear market, it will stay relative since it's pegged to the US dollar. And then you can buy coins at a dip, which is a good thing. So how it works. So this is extremely important on Coinbase. A lot of the cryptos are ERC based, which is Ethereum blockchain. So we're gonna get to a pay section where we're gonna send crypto. That's in another video, but just keep your eye out for this description so you'll know in the future. So here we go. You click. Now we're at trade. Trade. The market cap, the trading volume. The volume is important. When you have the volume, you can know how much money's coming in and out. That's why look at the price of Bitcoin. Let's go back to look at the price of Bitcoin. Right? Trading activity. So typical hold time volume 33.8 billion. So for example, when Bitcoin was at its all-time high, it was about double this. So double this. It was like 60K, 61K, yeah. Double the volume. So the volume, that means the big money's coming in. So keep an eye out for that. So here we go. All right, so we off the wait list. We took our selfie, you know what I mean? we took ourselves. We got a real clean pic. So we'll be ready to send some money in the that's for the next video though. So, you know, keep an eye out for that. And we'll buy, sell, send, and receive. And then you got your other stuff right here too. You borrow cash. You can borrow. Let me know in the comments below. Did you know you can borrow 30% off of your whatever Bitcoin you have? So for example, you have 100K worth of Bitcoin. You can borrow against that for a property, which is pretty profound. Bitcoin came a long way. It wasn't like that before. They were speculative. You know, it was a lot of speculation. You know, per se. So yeah, that's a pretty good thing. Oh. One more thing, guys. One more thing. One more really important thing, real quick. The categories. So here, this is an important thing about crypto. So a lot of people want to escape inflation, so they go to interest earning cryptos. Interest earning cryptos. So for example, USDC, if you hold it on Coinbase, you get about 0.15. The APY, 0.15% APY, which honestly, it's not really a lot of money, but it's better than the bank. The bank is like 0.05%. So to be honest, this is nothing. You should put your money in everything but inside a savings account if you're trying to actually make some money. So here we go. We got Cardano, ADA, interest earning. And then if you want to go into depth, you can click on each crypto, read their white paper, find out each APY, but these are the ones only on Coinbase that earn you some yield when you hold them. DeFi, we'll get into that in the future, but this is where a lot of to be honest, the majority of the value of crypto is. You go to DeFi right here because you see the staking protocol 0.15% APY. In DeFi you can get over 100 times that in a stable way. So for example, you see DeFi protocols like Uniswap, Aave, Maker. They have another popular one that's not listed here is PancakeSwap. That's for the smart chain. So you can go to Uniswap, see the price, the volume, read about it, get curious, guys. Listen, get curious. All right. So smart contracts. So in order to understand anything about blockchain, you need to know about smart contracts. So they have there are things built on networks. So Ethereum, for example, like I mentioned prior, it's the foundation of a lot of cryptos. So ETH, is the reason why it's the market cap what it's at now because it's the first to market of its kind. So you can read about ETH, in the future. Read about ETH, but a lot of these cryptos, Cardano at first had an ERC contract. Now they have an ADA contract. So be on the lookout. Be on the lookout. Just get curious, guys. Like I said, get curious. This is the future of finance. So, and then we got trade, which we'll get to in another video, and that's it, guys. Listen, if you got value out, comment below. Let me know what you think about it. Did you know you can earn 30% off your Bitcoin of borrowing against Bitcoin? I didn't know that. So, yeah, there's that. So, like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Be sure to continue to build your foundation, and I'll see you at the top.